Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start now. Today we discuss the quantum states of an electron associated with the vector atom model. This is important topic, friends, and I want to say in my YouTube channels all questions are important because I uploaded more videos only important topics. Let's start now, friends, to discuss the quantum states of an electron associated with the vector atom model. This is the topic of atomic physics and statistical mechanics. Let's start now, friends. These are 7 quantum numbers associated with vector atom model, which are as follows. First, the principal quantum number denoted by n. The principal quantum number can have only integral value, that is 1 to 3, and governs the size of atom orbital. The orbitals with n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are designated as KLMN. The binary energy of electron also depends upon n and is found to decrease with increase in n. Now second, friends, the orbital quantum number L. The orbital quantum number can take integral values from 0, 1 to n minus 1, governs the shape of atomic orbital. Now friends, the orbitals with L is equal to 0, 1 to 3 are designated as SPD, F respectively. The probability of finding an electron minus near the nucleus is given by phi star alpha r to the power minus 2L and is largest for L is equal to 0, E minus electrons, and decreases rapidly with L. The magnitude of orbital angular momentum L vector of electron minus having orbital quantum number L is given by L vector is equal to L under root L plus 1 H cross. Next, friend, 3. The spin quantum number S denoted by S. The idea of spin of electron minus was introduced by Allenbeck and Gaudsmit in the year 1925. To explain the fine structure of a spectral line in hydrogen like atoms and anomalous Zeeman effect. The spin of an electron can take a fine value 1 by 2. Now friends, the magnitude of a spin angular momentum S vector of an electron minus having a spin quantum number is given by S vector is equal to S is equal to under root rho plus 1 H cross. Now 4 number, the total quantum number denoted by J vector. The total angular momentum J of an electron minus is the sum of orbital angular momentum L and a spin angular momentum S. That is J is equal to L plus S. The magnitude of total angular momentum of an electron is given by J vector is equal to J is equal to under root J plus 1 H cross, where J is total quantum number which can have value J is equal to L plus S minus 1 at L minus S. The magnetic orbital quantum number ME, it is the projection of orbital angular momentum vector L in the magnetic field direction B vector denoted by ML can take values L, L minus 1, L minus 2, up to L. That is the total number of allowed values of ML is 2L plus 1 for L is equal to 2, ML is equal to 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 values. L is equal to 1, ML is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 values, and so on. This is the figure, friends. L vector B theta ML. ML is equal to L cos theta. And then 6. The magnetic spin quantum number ML. It is the projection of the spin angular momentum S in the magnetic field direction B vector denoted by MS. It can take only 2 values plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. And then you can see figure, friends. Thank you. We meet in next video.